What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Uyi here, and today's video we're going to be reviewing my best video editor, CapCut. So CapCut became known to me early this year, and since I've been using it, I've loved the app. So it's time to give you guys the review and what I think about this app. So first things first is the user's interface. What do we see when we open CapCut? So when we open CapCut, we see add projects, then we see our photos and videos. So we select them, then we're going to see a lot of options. So we can just scroll through the options. If you are new to the CapCut app, just scroll through, you'll see some that you like and some that you don't like. It's just straightforward. You crop your videos, reduce, resize, and you export. So it's easy as that. The user interface is actually very simple and nice to use. Moving on to features. So CapCut has a lot of features, from animations. You have watched all these videos on TikTok that they are like singing a song and the pictures are going 1, 2, 3. So those are animations. There are some nice filters, effects, and my favorite feature is that you can remove the background in your video. Like the app does it for you. So immediately you just click remove background, it just automatically picks you the subject and removes everyone else, or rather the background, everything else. Human beings are still there. That is mad, because think about it, that is like shooting a green screen video without the green screen. So you just get yourself and you'll be able to add yourself under like any circumstance. I said anywhere I can be in space right now for you though. So there are levels to this, there are levels to these things. And also CapCut has edited a lot of nice videos, especially on Instagram Reels and TikTok. Like, just see some of these videos that were edited using CapCut. They are so nice, and when I say so nice, like you did this with your phone. And smartphone, like media consumption on the smartphone has gotten so intense these days, and it has gotten so, like, content creation using your phone has gotten so easy. And the creators of CapCut, I love you guys, because you gave us this app, and this app has been beautiful. And again, I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how you can do 3D effects with your pictures, because this is the reason I got CapCut and I fell in love. So all you need to do, open your project, select your photos, click on the photo, you'll see style, scroll to 3D and 3D effect, and boom, you get your 3D on. Like, it's as easy as that. So what's my verdict on this app? You guys really need to know my verdict. My verdict is that I love CapCut. You should get CapCut. Like, if you are someone that wants to be creating a lot of skits or making a lot of videos using your smartphone, and you are not good at editing on your laptop, get CapCut. You edit lovely videos. And a lot of people will be like, oh wow, how did you edit this video? I'll be like, I use CapCut. And they're like, are you serious? If you want me to do tutorials on how to edit some kind of videos, I can do tutorials, but you got to drop it in the comment and give me the specific type of video you want, because I cannot just come, okay, how to edit. No, it doesn't make sense. So this is my review on CapCut. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. You guys should please share this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.